it really makes me emotional, you know. I mean, I think that I'm sort of really touched by, and I can't really even, you know, I can't even understand how you lived this and done this journey, you know, honestly. And your strength, it really, really touches my heart, honestly. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude because today you have specifically organized this program as a way of thanking various people who have been involved in procuring the factors, which has now become part of NHM, I believe. Sometimes, you know, you don't understand the magnitude of what you can do, what one individual can do in order to make such a huge difference. And I want to thank Mr. Augustine for coming all the way and enlightening me about this situation. And honestly, like I said, you know, you have been struggling for this for years. And you know, it was already in the pipeline, and I think just a few phone calls, just a few steps would probably have expedited this a long time ago. But really, like I said, it was, you know, you've organized this wonderful program, thanking us, thanking me as well. But honestly, like I said, I really didn't have to go all the way. I didn't have to struggle at all. And today, to think that you have struggled so hard, you know, listening to ma'am talk about her son, her 10-year-old son, and the struggles you've had, it really makes me emotional, you know. I mean, I think that I'm sort of really touched by, and I can't really even, you know, I can't even understand how you lived this and done this journey, you know, honestly. And your strength, it really, really touches my heart, honestly. And I pray to God for each one of you here today, and I really hope that God gives you the strength, you know, to go through this journey. And honestly, whatever we can do in our capacity as public representatives, you know, as people in some form of authority, I hope that we can help you in this journey. And this is really a small step, I know, but it's gonna hopefully take you guys a long way. And hopefully your child who's 10 years old, I hope he gets a better quality of life, as Professor Mehta was saying. I hope he gets a better quality of life and just have enjoy the normal things in life, you know. And to think that small children have to go through this from such a young age, it's unimaginable, honestly. And I am so proud of all the little children here. There was a little boy while felicitating us, and I could imagine he's also a patient of hemophilia. And I mean, to have a lifetime of that kind of struggle, it's unbelievable, but so much strength. And I pray to God that all the patients and all the parents have the strength to overcome this and have a good quality of life, you know, honestly. It is so important for us to have compassion. At the end of the day, you as parents, as patients, already have an understanding of how hard it is to live a life of this sort of an illness. But people that surround us sometimes, like the people in our schools, in our, you know, colleges, in our friend circles, sometimes may not understand the gravity of this illness and may not be sensitive to this. And therefore, when we talk about awareness programs, I think it's very important that we sensitize entire communities. And there is a day which is dedicated, the 17th of April, which is dedicated to hemophilia. And I hope that you can organize programs larger than the groups which are present today, which just include the families and the patients. Because honestly, the awareness has to be at a larger level. As Professor Mehta said, I completely agree with that. And you know, from my capacity, whatever I can do, I would be more than happy to do it. And not just as a member of parliament, you know, but as a fellow human being, whatever I can do, I would be more than happy. Because like I said, sometimes we don't really understand the magnitude of the work that has been sort of given to us. And sometimes, for instance, it was just a phone call and I did not realize that it could have made so much of a difference. So honestly, if there is anything else I can do, I would be more than happy to do that. And I thank everybody today for having me here, for really sensitizing me to this and for involving me in this. You know, I'm full of gratitude because however small, if I could help, it really does, you know, make me believe that the reason why I'm here, you know, as a member of parliament, the reason why I'm here and is actually making a difference. And by doing this, if I have been able to do that, it sort of gives me the affirmation that I am at the right place at the right time. So thank you very much. May God bless each one of you. Jai Hind.